Full life every kitten deserves.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Balance and sleep all negotiating together. Sometimes kittens do not wait to be adopted. They simply show up and choose you. Horrible predator. That tiny shoulder sleeper has already won his heart. Trouble is brewing. That teddy who's boss.
You had to stay in here. You're too little to go into the out.
Adorable reflection. Kitten found a perfect ride for some house exploration.
You so freaking cute, pretty girl. Come out of there.
Adorable little packages.
I want 15 too.
Yeah.
Body strength. What a champion. The like button. Share your feelings and tell us which moment made you melt the most in the comments below. Spot. So much perfection and comfort. This cat found absolute peace. Horrible little kneading paws, so focused and sweet.
Gal.
Get some kittens instead. It'll be fun.
I can't believe you sharded.
The stretch perfectly describes how most people feel waking up every morning. tiny stance is just too cute to handle.
跟着我演，你好。
Is cute. 3 kittens instantly turn the room into adorable chaos. Conquers
That's
the
his
big
chair.
cat.
Stink, that's his chair, girl.
Found a new way to enjoy its drink and make a mess.
Get out of the bowl.
Yeah, kinda, yeah. George is kind of like this one.
I don't think so, not at all.
According to this expert, bedroom doors should remain open for important sleepy furballs are enjoying some cozy milk and cuddles. This energetic kitty is trying its best to get a reaction. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredibly cute journey. Which moment in the video made you want to adopt a kitten right away? Or do you have any adorable kitten stories of your own? See you in the next incredible animal video. That tiny shoulder sleeper has already won his heart. Trouble is brewing. It's adorable reflection. This cat found absolute peace. Adorable little kneading paws, so focused and sweet. The stretch perfectly describes how most people feel waking up every morning.